Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicweb.com. Making this a small video as a weekly recap for the last week. So let's get it started. Just wanted to show the trades taking with the help of this Magic IB system. Okay, so this is the first one is EUR-AUD on the 25th March. 20-minute chart here, sell order, right? And the next one is also on the 25th. It is pound newsy. It's not much because I didn't close on time and it retraced on me, but it was dropping again and then it went down even further. Okay, now on the next day, 26th, this is pound yen. The yen was getting weaker and the entry was right here, and it wobbled up a little bit but never hit my SL and went all the way to the upside. This is the beauty about this system is that most of the time more than 90% that once you make the entry you just go positive and then stay positive. Okay, here this is a nice one. It's EUR-AUD on the 26th. The first one was here and then it retraced, and like wave 1, 2, and then big wave 3 to the downside, 150 pip. This is the sell order right here. And this is pound Aussie. Pound was getting strong, so this thing went up and down. The pound is being very, very wobbly now lately, because of the Brexit problem, the issue. Okay, now on the 27th, this is Aussie yen. This is the trade that I did, but I closed it here and then it went down up all the way up here, the retrace again. This is the one that I actually made a couple of videos that I was I put a pending order when we were here, and then I was just following behind the price going up. I was moving my pending order, and then finally here my pending order got filled and the price started dropping here. So this is where I closed. This is a New Zealand on the 27th, big, all the way down in a straight line. And on the 29th, this is the EUR-USD, even though it is not, I closed it on the 29th, but the entry was not on 29, entry was on the 25th, earlier in the week. But this pair lately was just moving very slow, so I was just holding it in the basis of euro weakness. Euro was getting weaker and weaker slowly, and this thing was just dragging to the downside. And on the 29th, this is the big one again. Pound Aussie always is a big one. Is if it moves a little bit, it gives you an easy 140, 50, 60, 200 pip trade. That's how it is. This pair moves big. Pound Aussie, Euro Aussie, and pound yen. These are big movers. So I just concentrate mostly on them. So my entry was, I forgot to mark the entry here, but it was somewhere here and then all the way down to the this was up. I think it's like on 28th the entry, and the price went down all the way to 83.65 on the 29th. So this is it for now. These were the trades. The system is very good, and if you want to get it and learn about it, you can go on my website here and watch these videos. It will tell you how all about the the subscription, how it goes, what it is, and what you're gonna get, and all of these previous trades using this system here. This is a week before that, before last week on the ending 22nd. Look at this, big pound Aussie. That's what I was talking about. Pound Aussie, this on the 22nd, it's 190 pip. Pound USD, beautiful entry all the way up 100 pip on the 22nd. This is the 22nd. This is the 22nd USD yen. Look how nice, beautiful entry it is. Right? It's a lot of trades on 22nd. The 21st, very nice pound yen. Also big mover. Pound Aussie, pound yen, and Euro-Aussie. These are big movers. This is a big trade, and this was a trade. After the retracement, I made an entry again, and it went down. You see that? This is the beauty. This was an entry. This was an entry, but I took this one here. This is my order, and this one I was in the trade, so I didn't take this one. I went all the way down with it, right? But it was, I'm just showing that it is how beautiful this entry is. And then later on it went up again. Blue candle turned into red. This indicates all the way down, turned into the downside, and this was almost a lot more than the 100 pip, but I wasn't available to close right away, so it went up against me. And see, look, pound Aussie again for 185 pip to the downside, all the way from here to here on the 21st. And then so on and so forth. I can show you back to several years, trading all the trades on a weekly basis, several trades every week, using this strategy and the system. Okay, so if you want to get it, learn about it, just come and subscribe and be a part of it. Today's Sunday. Let's get started. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.